Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day and are ready for some holiday cheer. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. We have so many exciting dishes lined up just for you. Your support is very much appreciated. It helps us keep bringing you more tasty and fun recipes. Today, I've got a fun and festive treat for you. A quick and easy recipe for Christmas punch. This punch is not only delicious but also adds a beautiful touch to your holiday table. Perfect for all your holiday gatherings, whether it's a big family get-together or a cozy evening with friends. So, let's get right into it. This recipe is so simple, you'll have it ready in no time. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a few basic items that you might already have in your kitchen. 4 cups of cranberry juice. This will be the base of our punch and give it that lovely red color. 2 cups of pineapple juice. It adds a tropical sweetness that balances the tartness of the cranberry juice. 1 cup of orange juice. This brings a citrusy freshness to our punch. 1 cup of ginger ale, for that fizzy, bubbly effect that makes the punch so refreshing. 1/2 cup of lemon juice. This adds a tangy kick that enhances all the other flavors. 1/2 cup of grenadine syrup. It not only sweetens the punch but also deepens the red color. Fresh cranberries and orange slices for garnish. These will make our punch look extra festive and inviting. Got everything ready? Perfect. Let's start mixing. This is the fun part where everything comes together. Step 1. Grab a large punch bowl. Make sure it's big enough to hold all the ingredients. Pour in the cranberry juice. This is our base. And the pineapple juice. It adds that sweet tropical flavor. Give it a little stir to start mixing the flavors. Step 2. Add the orange juice and lemon juice. These citrus juices will brighten up the punch. This is where the tangy magic happens. The citrus really elevates the flavor. Mix it up well. You want all the flavors to blend together nicely. Step 3. Now for a bit of fizz, add the ginger ale. This will make the punch bubbly and fun. This will give our punch that delightful sparkle. It's like adding a bit of holiday magic. And finally, pour in the grenadine syrup. This will sweeten the punch and give it a beautiful red hue. This adds a beautiful red hue and a sweet touch. It's the perfect finishing touch. Stir it all together. Make sure everything is well mixed. Looking good already, right? The colors are so vibrant. But wait, we're not done yet. We still need to add the final touches. Step 4. Time to garnish. This is what makes the punch look so festive. Add some fresh cranberries and orange slices right into the punch. They float beautifully and add a pop of color. It makes it look so festive and inviting. Your guests will be impressed. And there you have it. Your Christmas punch is ready to serve. It's perfect for any holiday occasion. Pour it into some fancy glasses, add a cranberry and an orange slice to the rim for that extra festive flair, and you're set. It's all about the presentation. This punch is fruity, fizzy, and oh so refreshing. It's sure to be a hit at your holiday party. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this super easy Christmas punch recipe. It's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed this super easy Christmas punch recipe. It's a great way to add some festive cheer to your celebrations. Give it a try at your next holiday party and watch your guests delight in this festive treat. They'll be asking for the recipe. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support helps us keep creating delicious content for you. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more delicious recipes with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy holidays and happy cooking. Enjoy your festive season and make it a memorable one. Bye for now. See you in the next video.